With our original chatbot, we closed 43% of the customer questions, and with Copilot Studio, we gained results like 70% of the questions are now closed by the AI assistant. Eneco is the third biggest energy supplier in Belgium. We have customers speaking multiple languages. We did set up the chatbot because we want to be able to process a lot more questions at a faster pace.
The reason why we decided to go from Microsoft Copilot Studio is the accuracy of the NLP models behind it. In order to better understand the question of the user, we managed to develop the agent in Copilot Studio in a bit under 3 months, which was much faster than anticipated. And I think this was mainly due to the very straightforward way of building flows in Copilot Studio. With Copilot Studio, we're able to give more personalized answers based on the metadata that we get from Eneco. And we're also putting speech-to-text and text-to-speech in front and behind the process.
With our new AI assistants, our customer service is available 24/7, and we see in the customer reactions that they are really happy about the fact that they get their answer that fast. The setup with Copilot Studio was really easy to implement, and we got the results way faster than expected.